G'day guys, welcome to another episode. We're just in this weekend, not far from home. Just shot into Belango. We're going to stay a night, maybe two at Daly's clearing and just explore a few of the tracks in and around here. Have a bit of a look around. Yeah.
The drive-in was nice and easy. Daly's clearing is right in Belango State Forest and is not too far off the freeway, which makes it an easy tow-in with the caravan. A bit of dirt road, plenty of tall trees, and before you know it, you're away from it all. First things first, we got the caravan levelled and the chairs out. Next up is time to light the fire. There's something about the smell of wood smoke and the crackle of flames that makes the whole campsite feel like home. Yeah. Feeding Missouri animals.
Yeah, I'd like to say it's bush tucker, but basically mint, onion, packet, tin for me, and we'll add some cayenne and chili to the non-kid version. Maybe some beer to the non-kid version as well. Definitely add some more beer to me. Just pretty basic. Just a wee bit of chili con carne. Work with what you got. That's how I made my kids. Coming up pretty good now though. Once it's browned off. And tomatoes. We're just going to do a wee bit of everything I cook, which is make it up as I go along.
You're right there.
Yep. You? Lake still?
Holly told me to buy more rice after I left the supermarket, so I didn't buy more rice because I wasn't going back in there. So we're just going to bulk it up with pasta. Easy, easy, easy. No big deal. Well, so it's chili con carne, one pot. Use a wee bit of pasta to bulk it up. Pretty simple. What else do we do? 3 kidney beans. We've got some rice.
Microwave some rice.
Yeah, microwave rice. And we've got chili and cayenne that we'll probably add to the adult version. And yeah, simple, one pot. Bugger all mess. Tastes delicious. Fills us. Alright.
Yes, Dad.
What do you think you're driving?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I suppose. Brought the L plates, brought the clips. Someone didn't organise themselves. We've got all the gear. What do you reckon? You trust them?
I'm in the back away from from a danger zone.
Well, that's assuming it hits forward and not reverse.
No, that's a good point.
Righto. First part of your license, you got to fit your L plate, but you got to fit them to the license plate, the number plate first. Hold on, I can't see you failing it. That's better.
Give me 2.
Yeah, you need to. But fit it to the license plate first. Oh, whatever. Do it whichever way.
Number plate.
Yeah.
License plate.
Oh, I'll fit it to the license plate.
Number plate.
You get, hold it.
I don't know, they're good.
Which way is it going? That way?
Yeah, like that. I think. Good job, Dad.
Thanks, mate. Uh-oh. I think it broke. Just give me a look. Well, what do you reckon?
Good.
Get in. Stuck it in low box so you can't get into too much mischief. Oh. Well, 2 weeks later we've got the logbook filled out and we're good to boogie. Well, let's have another go out there. Go seatbelt on. As long as I've got mine on, the kids have theirs on, and Holly has hers on.
You'll survive.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Whoa! We're moving. Alright.
Things joining.
We're moving. Oh, stop. It's gentle on the brakes.
Yep.
Alright, get out, that's it.
What?
Keep going. Just exploring some of the four-wheel drive tracks. Not that they're really four-wheel drive. The ones we've found so far, there's a wee bit of very untechnical four-wheel driving, I suppose. You wouldn't get around it in your Forester, but 95% of the tracks you would. So just been cruising around, having a look around really. That's about it. Hey! Oop. Jackson's ripping skids. There's four-wheel driving. Jackson's four-wheel driving. The big ginger's heading up the hill somewhere. He reckons he's going to get up there. So he'll be four-wheel driving. Holly four-wheel drives everywhere because she's pretty short in the wheelbase. Yeah, no, we've been having a good time. Scott's been doing a fair bit of driving, getting some errors up on his licence. Yeah, it's been a very enjoyable weekend. He hasn't made it very far, has he? All I hear is excuses. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good job. Meanwhile, hold on. See it. Where is he? Ooh, he's bush bashing.
Well, Benson, I can't see him.
I think he's lost his marbles. Woohoo! That's pretty cool. Should have got on that rock. It's even higher.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. We've got a way to get over from up here.
It's a bit of a trip then.
Bit of a trip.
Yeah.
It's really an understatement.
Woohoo! Way on way taller than you here. Ha.
Finding new places like this is what makes having a four-wheel drive worth it. A chance to leave the crowds behind and discover the hidden corners that you'll never see from the main road. Check out this view. We've put the drone up to get a better look around the forest that spreads out all around us. Cliffs, tall gums and endless green as far as you can see. As the sun starts to dip, we're wrapping up the day, pulling into camp and soaking up the last bit of daylight. There's nothing better than ending a good drive with a quiet spot and a warm campfire. We gonna light a fire today? Are we gonna light a fire? A fire!
Mom, how about
Alright, put it down here. Yeah, put it in. Okay, good work.
No need a battery.
You gonna? I don't think you're gonna be able to hit that. No? Oh, over here.
Can I try? No.
Yep, right. Jackson's turn. Let go, Finn. Thea, let go. Good girl. Right, Jackson, quick. Right, light it from the bottom. There we go. Yay! Right. Right, put the lighter down. Right, come on the lighter. Right, grab some small stuff.
I got to again.
Right, some smaller stuff, please, guys.
My dad.
Morning, guys. We're still at Benila. Shane and Scott have gone to work, so me and the kids stayed behind. Shane's going to pick us up later tonight because we're not that far from home. And me and the kids are just having a play with the campfire at the moment. This spot is lovely in the middle of winter. Woke up to a real cold frost this morning. It was crunchy underfoot. We've probably parked in the wrong place for the van to get battery at the moment. It's still hidden by all those trees. But given no air, we should start. I just hope that we're going to be right. We're down to 30%. So I don't think we've got too much charge yesterday, but it was reasonably overcast.
What is that?
If we parked like over there, we would have been in full sun hours ago. But it is the middle of June, so we can't expect too much more. Down over there is where the water is.
Why?
If you wanted to park up by water, there's literally no one down there today. It is a Monday morning, so everyone left yesterday. But it turned out there's still a few people here, but it's really quiet. Like, we're probably the noisiest ones here with the kids, but they're having a ball. Just have a small fire in the morning. And yes, Shane will pick us up later on today and we'll go home. So I've got to pack up the van and get it all ready and cleaned, ready for the trip home, and after that we'll be all good. So yeah, the van's all packed up. We've just only got the steps down because I'll do a final check, and the legs are up and everything, and we're just waiting on Shane to come in reverse in after he finishes work, and we'll go home. And that will be district camping trip finished. Here he is. The daddy! Oh, stay there so he doesn't get you. Straight. Yep. Yep. You ready to go home? Yeah?
I got too.
You want to go home? Oh, I'm glad that camp is so hard on you.
They're fine yesterday. What did you do to them today?
Didn't let them in the caravan. Right guys, that's us for another episode. We're out of here and we will see you again on the next one. Cheers!